Hi guys, welcome to another video, and tonight I have a very beautiful topic to discuss with you guys. Itong topic na to guys ay wala naman talaga sa plano ko na to make a discussion this evening, okay? Kanina I felt tired kasi I've been doing so many home business, okay? And then I decided to sit down and take a break, okay? My cell phone during that time is charging, and I'm just sitting here, and then I saw this book, The Purpose-Driven Life, okay? So there's a beautiful topic here. This is about temptation, okay? So the question that I would love to raise in this talk is temptation good or bad? Okay? Is temptation good or bad? Okay? So, ito na nga. May kasabihan na temptation is not a sin unless you gave in, right? Ang isang tentasyon daw ay hindi kasalanan unless na hinayaan mo ang sarili mo na maging bahagi nun, dun nagiging kasalanan yun, okay? At eto nga sa topic ditong The Purpose-Driven Life, binabasa ko dito kanina, growing through temptation. Okay? Sabi dito, mamaya na, so i-discuss natin. So, ayun na nga. Is temptation good or bad? So, temptation is actually good accordingly. Kasi nga, dun mo daw na-test ang sarili mo kung hanggang saan na ang divinity mo, right? Okay, so napaisip nga ako kanina, sabi ko, di ba may kasabihan na, may sinasabi din na temptation is Satan's weapon to destroy us, okay? Ginagamit na kasangkapan, pamamaraan ni Satanas upang tayo ay sirain. Pero it doesn't mean naman na magtatagumpay si Satanas, right? Kasi kung tayo yung mga taong madasalin, kung tayo yung mga taong talagang nakasunod tayo sa Panginoon, and everyday we're striving to live a godly life, Satan cannot destroy us, right? So, in this case, like, nag-opisina ka sa isang kampanya or public office, you're sitting in a government position, and then, kagaya nung consider na natin si Engineer Bryce Hernandez, okay? Engineer Bryce Hernandez, inutusan ng boss niya na mag-receive ng pera, okay? Na mag-receive ng pera na, which is from the that money is for corruption purposes, okay? So now, for Engineer Bryce Hernandez, who submit also himself, okay? So doon niya na-test na hindi pa strong yung spirit niya, di ba? He's not yet divine. Kasi kung mabuti siyang tao, kung spiritually founded siya, sa utak niya, ano itong ginagawa sa akin ng boss ko? Di ba? Una pa lang, kung ayaw niyang sumali sa ganung sitwasyon, mag-resign dapat siya. Right? Kasi you cannot accept, you cannot tolerate. You cannot, you cannot consider yourself, you should not consider, if you, kung hindi mo gusto yung bagay na yon, hindi mo isasangkalan ng sarili mo para maging bahagi ka ng ganoong kalakaran, right? So, doon nakita na yung temptation, nasukat yung pagkatao niya, na-destroy siya ni Satan, right? So, ganun yung guys kasi labanan to ng spirit, totoo talaga guys. Ang pagiging mabuti ng tao at pagiging masama niya ay dahil sa kanyang spiritual foundation. That's true. Diba? Kahit sino naman, ay, parang gusto kong gawin to, pero yung Holy Spirit will speak to you, I know that's wrong. Ito kapag ginawa mo yan, ganito yung mangyayari. Okay? So, another thing is like this. I remember that time when I'm still working, okay? So, everyday si boss dumadaan dun sa may mesa ko kasi nag-uusap kami about, nakatayo lang yan si sir. Pearl, kumusta si ganito, ganyan-ganyan, bawat project, okay? Tanungin niya ako. Tapos, kwento-kwento si boss kung anong mga concern niya sa building. Tapos, iniwan niya yung, hindi ko naman nakita na iniwan niya. I do not know if that is a trust trap, right? May tray ako ng mga files ko. Pagtingin ko, may isang cellphone na maganda. na talagang mamahalin. Syempre, may mga boss yun eh. Sabi ko, boss, the owner of the company, okay? Sabi ko, ay kay boss to. Sabi ko, ganyan. Tinakbo ko siya kaagad, okay? Sir, naiwan mo yung naiwan mo yung cellphone mo. Ganyan. Ay, ganyan bro, ganyan mo. I don't know if he is, what do you call this? Trust trap, right? Kasi after nun, itong boss ko na to, kung saan ako pinapadala mga kaibigan niya para yung mga diba? Parang chinek kung itong taong ito trustworthy ito. Kumbaga, i-refer ko din to sa mga kilala ko. I-recommend ko to take charge about the project that gusto nilang ipagawa. So, nangyari yun. So, malamang sabi ko, it's a kind of testing ni boss. Kasi Pearl, hindi to nag-i-interest ng hindi sa kanya. Okay? So, yun yung point ko. Kasi unang-una, hindi ako materialistic. I don't care about any items dyan. Even ako kahit sa ibang bahay, hindi mo ako mapahawak ng remote or magbukas ng TV, hindi ko gagawin yan. Kasi hindi talaga ako I am not inclined to touch things that does not belong to me. Yan yung laging sinasabi ko sa anak ko. Kapag hindi sa'yo, huwag mong papakialaman. Okay? So, yun naman natutunan ko sa magulang ko eh. Di ba? If it does not belong to you, do not get that. Okay? So, it's very important to build values and habits, especially to the children. Okay? So, kaya nga ito guys, kay Shasha, binili ko to way back 2023 if I'm not mistaken. Kasi nire-review namin tong values and habits. Napakahalaga sa isang batang character development, okay? And from time to time, I'm not saying that I'm a perfect mom, okay? I'm not saying that I'm a perfect mom, but from time to time, I do the Bible teaching kay Ate Shasha, nag-story ako sa kanya ng mga Bible story. And ito, nabasa niya na to. Dinidiscuss niya, hindi ako perfect, but I'm still in his mind the importance of the proper values and habits, okay? So, dapat every parent should teach us. Kasi yun na yung sakit ng mundo eh. Yun ang sakit ng mundo. Weak ng mga espiritu. Okay? Okay? So, yun na nga eh. Ganun na nangyayari dito sa bansa natin. Diba? Many are being tempted. Kaya nga, halos lahat ng mga senador meron sila mga insertion eh. Diba? Most of them are tempted to get money that does not belong to them, right? Bakit ka magkakaroon ng insertion? Wala ka naman project proposal. Wala ka naman pinag-aralan na proyekto para mo doon. Tapos basta-basta lang kayo. Okay? So, you have a weak spirit. Okay? So, yun na nga. At, ibig sabihin, temptation is good for people who wants to test their divinity, right? Kasi nasabi dito guys, sa the purpose-driven life, growing through temptation. Happy is the man who doesn't give in. Okay? And who do wrong when he is tempted. Afterwards, he will get as his reward the crown of life that God has promised to those who love Him. Okay? It's in James chapter 1 and the verses 12. Every temptation is an opportunity to do good. Okay? Doon mo talaga makikita kung hanggang saan na ang ang pag-grow mo bilang isang Kristiyano. Na kaya mo nang talikuran ang mga tentasyon, lalo mga bagay na hindi sa'yo, mga gawain na hindi naman dapat gawin dahil hindi naman talaga dapat at mali. Okay? So, kapag nalagpasan natin ang tentasyon, ibig sabihin, we're already a people who has been given with a strong spirituality by the good Lord. Okay? So, if you do not have that blessing yet, you have to pray to the Lord always. Okay? Hindi naman ako perfecto eh. Pero I keep on praying to the Lord na, Lord, give me the wisdom and give me the strong spirit. Okay? To turn back whenever there are temptation na sa atin, 'di ba? So, thanks for watching. I hope na natutunan kayo sa vlog na to. Love you all.